Yeah, Jim, we should get some video of the cooler full of ammo. Okay, let's turn it around and set it down for you.
So, here we have the official Bubba picnic basket.
I've not had this oven. No. That's a spare. I think it'll probably just stay in the box.
So it has one on it already?
Yep. Yeah, I confirmed that. But I wanted to have a spare. Last thing we need to do is
Have to stop for the day because of the stupid blade being dead. Days in Malaysia. Yeah, there we go. Completely, as you say,
Family couple of strips in that?
adjustable. Does it have bumps? Yeah, it does. You want to have the bumps sit on the... So give location specific. Yeah, good. Duct tape is a wonderful thing.
All right.
I'll walk out here.
I think everybody should get hearing protection.
Oh yeah.
Let's see, this one has a tiny switch on the back.